Hey friends, Eric Zanatelli here, and today I want to talk a little bit about credit repair and credit repair companies. And I do want to state that there might be a few credit repair companies out there who actually help people. However, we have not experienced that in quite a while. That used to be the case, but here lately, all we're running into is borrowers telling us we're sending them $100 a month and they're supposed to be disputing our debts. And when we pull up their credit report, their credit scores still are low and they're not getting any positive action from the companies they're dealing with. So here's what I can tell you that a lot of the credit repair companies that we're having problems with, or our clients are having problems with, are experiencing. The credit repair companies say, we're going to dispute all the debts on your credit report and that will get them removed. And what we're seeing is that our customers are sending the money. We pull the credit, all the debts are disputed, but none of the debts have left the credit report. And so it hasn't improved anything. And in some cases, the collection agencies have been re-engaged and are starting to try to collect their debts. So here's what I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to have a few more videos about this. But if you want to increase your credit score, you have to change your habits. If you want to increase your credit score and do some repair to your credit report, you can Google as a consumer how to do it. You can do it yourself, and you do not have to send anybody $70 a month or $100 a month. More on this in the next video. By the way, my team and I are here. We're helping tons of families in 2025. We'd love to add you to the list and help you get into your dream home in 2025. Have a great day. If you need anything at all, message me below, private message me, or give me a call because, as always, we're here to help.